Oh, wait.
Don't show addresses.
Oh, wait. Oh, right.
Don't show our address either.
Our address is on the website.
Oh, good to know.
Well, so this is from Smitty. Not the average Smitty. He has done a very good job of...
He's handy with a tape gun.
Wait. Well, luckily he didn't weld it shut.
What could go wrong the way you're opening this?
You... Holy, good packing too.
Maybe it's fragile
It is fragile.
from Italy.
Okay, so first we have this. Here, let's get our dirty knife out of the way. Okay.
I saw it.
Look at that.
Let me zoom in a little bit here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, let's get the detail. Oh, that's nice.
That is cool. Like, look. Oh, I wonder if that was what he was talking about. He said he puts a defect in every, like a purposeful defect and everything. No, I think that's probably what it is. But something's in there that rattles.
Fun.
Okay, so then this goes in here like that.
Can you sing the theme song?
I really don't know that much.
Me neither. That's gorgeous.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Like he made that just with
his own two hands?
And scrap metal. He made it out of scrap metal.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much, Smitty. I really appreciate this.
Give him a kiss. No, just kidding. That was a nice gift. Cool.
I see them on the video, but like this.
We're going in again.
I hope this is a magnet. Probably not though. That is like really neat. Like, no, he just amazes me. He makes such really cool things.
So say a nice thing to him.
Thank you very much, Smitty.
Tell him he's handsome.
You're very handsome, probably. And
he's
I can't wait to see the
kind to children. Build. Oh, very nice.
And what he's got what?
I was just thinking of more compliments.
Oh, he's very smart.
Smart, yeah.
And,
funny.
Funny. He's like probably one of the kindest people you'll ever meet.
Yeah.
He's a good dancer.
Oh yeah. Well, he would be, wouldn't he? If he's got those kind of skills.
Oh, for sure. And also, he has done several years of walking back and forth across the United States just to keep his calf muscles up.
Oh, nice. I wonder if he knows where Kate Middleton is. No, just kidding. That's my thing. Anyways.
They say nobody knows where
it's
Kate
true.
Middleton is.
I was just trying to, maybe you could put hashtag Kate Middleton in here and you'll get a few more views.
Get some subs.
That sounds good.
Anyways, I want to thank you, Smitty, because I saw how much that cost just to ship that here.
Oh, my Lord, I did too.
I'm going to somehow have to get you about 400 to 500 subs just to pay that back. Thanks, buddy.